Hey, what's up guys? Paralysis by analysis. I think a lot of traders get stuck in this problem. They're taking in so much information that when they look at the charts, everything seems to contradict everything. I've read in some book that you should trade stochastic divergence a certain way, then you read in another book that you should trade in another way, and it conflicts with one another, and then you get fibs in there and different indicators and with the trend, counter trend, reading candlesticks, blah blah blah. And it's interesting, the sort of input of information versus the output of taking action and implementing ideas. I found that I've definitely gone through stages where I've just been studying, just taking in all this information, reading all these books, watching all these videos, doing all these courses, and it's been really good in that I've learnt a lot and developed my knowledge of trading. However, when I came to actually trying to implement it, it was very, very difficult because there was just so much there, and a lot of it I found was conflicting. However, there's been periods where I have just been taking a lot of action, like trying to implement, well, practice a lot and not taking in any new ideas, and finding that I can't seem to break past some plateau that I've reached. You're practicing and you're practicing, or you're trading and trading, and just getting to the same sticking point, and you can't seem to get past it. And I've found definitely recently that the importance of balancing that input of quality information, whether it's through books, courses, talking with other traders, trading coach, and the output of taking action, implementing, practicing, trading. Yeah, that balance is crucial, because with the input you're getting new ideas, with the output you're implementing it, but also utilizing those ideas to the fullest potential, and it's helping you progress, it's helping you break through those plateaus. And I find that if you are taking action on the ideas and putting in the time, putting in the study, putting in the time, whether it's like backtesting a certain idea or reviewing your trades a certain way, whether you're actually taking that action and implementing those ideas, you find that the whole paralysis by analysis tends to go away, because you are utilizing the ideas that work for you and discarding or putting to the side what doesn't seem to work for you. So you're really picking up the best of the information, the best that works for you personally. So I guess I would suggest that to really look at your own trading and how you're approaching your trading education, as far as are you reading the books, are you maybe reading the blogs, are you talking to other traders, have you got a trading coach? And also the output, are you putting in the practice, are you doing the back testing, are you reviewing your trades, are you executing your trades? And just have a bit of a look at the ratio, the input to output, and notice, have you reached a plateau that you can't break through? If you have, then maybe you might want to consider getting a new book, reading a new book, or talking to some new traders, because you might find that you can get some ideas to help you break through that plateau through some quality information source. Or are you on the other side where paralysis by analysis, there's so much in your head and you're not really taking enough action, that when you do take action, you're overwhelmed. And I've been there, and it's a crap place to be. And if that's the case, then maybe take a break from the study, take a break from reading the books, and put some of those ideas that you've got in your head into practice, backtesting, trading, and figure out what works for you and what doesn't work for you. It's kind of a to and fro. Like, I find that sometimes I'm more heavily on the studying side, and sometimes I'm more heavily on the practicing side, but yeah, it's something that I guess you want to be aware of and try and balance out over the long run. So yeah, I hope those ideas help. They've definitely helped me. and talk to you next time.